777-9. Boeing 777-9 is the world's largest and longest twin-engine commercial aircraft. Once it goes into service, the 251-foot-long aircraft will ferry up to 425 passengers on long-haul flights spanning up to 7,285 nautical miles around the world. Each of the Boeing 777-9's wings, complete with retractable wingtips, are the largest single composite structure in the world, according to a report from CNN. The jet's twin General Electric G9X engines, which generate roughly 105,000 pounds of thrust and are as wide as the fuselage of the company's 737 jet, are the most powerful engines to be attached to a commercial aircraft yet. Number 12. Tupolev Tu-160 Blackjack. The Tupolev Tu-160 is the largest, heaviest supersonic and combat aircraft ever constructed. The aircraft also holds the title for the largest variable geometry swing wing aircraft. The Tu-160 NATO code, Blackjack, has a 183-foot wingspan and a max takeoff weight of 606,271 pounds. Number 11. McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender. The McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender is the largest fuel capacity tanker aircraft in the world. With a 164-foot wingspan, the aircraft can haul a massive amount of fuel. We're talking 52,250 gallons. The Air Force is in the process of acquiring a new tanker, the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus, which will be more efficient and have more advanced avionics than the KC-10, but the Tri-Jet Extender will still have the Pegasus beat on fuel capacity by about 70 tons. Number 10. Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 is the European 747, and the A380-800 is the largest passenger aircraft ever made, with room for 850 passengers. It flies some of the longest routes around the planet, but like the 747, it may be starting to get replaced with smaller planes with similar range. The Airbus A380 is truly the world's flying bus, flying more people at a time than any other plane in history. Number 9. Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. The C-5 Galaxy may be the US's biggest military plane, but the C-17 Globemaster is the primary workhorse. The aircraft took its first flight in 1991, and 279 Globemasters have been built since. The C-17 airlifter can haul about 85.5 tons into the sky, flying missions around the world to transport troops and cargo, perform airlifts and medical evacuations, and fly airdrop routes. Number 8. Boeing 747. The Dreamlifter is already on the list, but it only represents a small part of the accomplishments of the Queen of the Skies. Boeing has built over 1,500 Boeing 747 seconds, and the planes have served as the largest passenger and cargo aircraft in the world, a military command center in the sky, Air Force One, and a space shuttle lifter and infrared telescope flyer for NASA. Plus, Iron Maiden even has one called Ed Force One. Number 7. Airbus Belyagax. Step aside, beluga. There's an even bigger whale in town. Developed in 2014, the Belyagax flew its first operational flight in 2020 after more than 200 test flights. It has officially joined Airbus's already behemoth fleet to move certified big things around the world. The plane is massive. It's 206 feet long and has the largest cross-section of any cargo plane in the world. A pair of Rolls-Royce Trent 700 turbofan engines help keep the hulking plane airborne. Number 6. Ilyushin Il-76. This Soviet-era long-range transport aircraft is a certified workhorse. It has a 164-foot wingspan, can transport up to 140 troops, and has a max payload of up to 50 tons. Designed to operate in extreme conditions, the Ilyushin Il-76 prototype made its debut in 1971 and went into production 3 years later. It can take off and land on short, unpaved runways and can fly through difficult weather with ease. More than 800 of them were built, according to military-today.com, and it is still widely used by multiple countries today. Number 5. Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. The B-52 entered service in 1955. First B-52H, the current model, debuted in 1961. The B-52 bomber is the grandfather of the Air Force, aging, but still capable of delivering a serious punch. The buff Big Ugly Fat Effer can carry 70,000 pounds of weapons, from precision-guided conventional bombs to nuclear warheads, while the B-2 stealth bomber